All right, guys, we got a 1966 Nova 2 4-door. Look at that. It's really clean, man. He's building it, building. So it's nice. Well, he put the engine in and brought it to us, and we did some exhaust building for you guys, as you guys can see. It's close there, and there we have to notch it there, we have to notch it there, just to make it all fit, custom to the max. It's 2.5-inch system all the way back into two MAGNAFLOW 14-inch mufflers, right there and right there. Then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. And there's the tips there and there, old. And that's the old system he had on it, old and dingy. We took it all off and ran him a new system because the old system, as you guys can see, has no bends, nothing in it. It was just, he just pieced it together just to get it here, I guess. And here's the part number on the mufflers. 11375. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're offset centers right there. That's the ones you're gonna need, offset center. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. All right, guys, Chevy Nova 2 4-door. MAGNAFLOWS, 2.5-inch system all the way back. Yeah, sounds good, not bad at all. Sound decibels? What? 111. I like it. Nice classic look to it. Good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
It's a 66 Nova 2.